you're doing fine. Are you ready to learn science stuff? Great! But before we start our lesson, I want you to prepare yourself as well as your materials necessary for your study. Try to find a nice and comfortable place inside your home where you can focus with your lesson. By the way, I am Teacher Mary Ann and I will be your Science 5 teacher. For this week's lesson, we are going to answer 2 questions. Number 1. What is estuaries in intertidal zones? Number 2. What are the different habitats and factors that can be found in estuaries and intertidal zones? Based on the pictures that we have, the first picture is an example of estuaries, while the second one is an example of intertidal zones. What is estuaries and intertidal zones? Estuaries, nurseries of the seas. It is a body of brackish water near the coast where fresh waters from rivers and streams flows into the oceans and mixes with salt water. It may be a bay, lagoon, or harbor. Intertidal zones. It is an area where land meets the sea between high and low tide zones. It is composed of all animals, plants, and microorganisms living in it. This includes coral reefs teeming with many corals and different kinds of fishes. What are the different habitats and factors that can be found in estuaries and intertidal zones? Biotic and abiotic factors. Biotic. These are the living organisms that can affect an ecosystem. This may include coral reefs, mangrove forests, crabs, and birds. Abiotic factors. These are the non-living factors that can affect an ecosystem. This may include waves, temperature, salinity, amount of sunlight, and type of soil. Different habitats found in an intertidal zone and estuary. Coral reef. Areas which are teeming with many corals. Coral formations are seen in this due to large number of corals living here. This serves as a sanctuary for young fishes. The animals living in it are corals, different kinds of fishes, sea anemones, and sea stars. Mudplants. Mudplants are areas which has a large amount of mud deposited in it. The mud usually comes from the sea or river. Crabs, migratory birds, sand dollars, nassels, clams, mollusks, and seashells are commonly found in this area. Salt marsh. These are the areas which are filled with seawater during high tide and become drained when it is low tide. The area is marshy because of the decomposing plant matter in the area. The animals that can be found in this area are clams, oysters, nassels, snails, and shrimps. Did you get it? Now, it's time to test what you have learned. It's quiz time! Directions. Identify the living and non-living things found in an estuary. Draw heart for living things and star for non-living things. Number 1. Body of water. It is a star. Number 2. Fish. Correct! It is a heart. Number 3. Sun. It is a star. Number 4. Shellfish. It is a heart. Number 5. Shell. It is a star. Number 6. Migratory bird. It is a heart. Number 7. Oyster. It is a heart again. Number 8. Crabs. It is a star. Number 9. Mud crabs. It is a heart. Number 10. Shrimp. It is a heart again. Write the word true if the statement is correct and false if it is biodiversity. Number 1. Estuaries in intertidal zone ecosystem are rich in biodiversity. It is true. Number 2. Estuarine and intertidal ecosystem are affected only by biotic factors. It is false. And last question, estuaries are also called nurseries of the seas. It is true. Great! You successfully passed the test. I hope you learned a lot from our today's discussion. See you again in our next lesson. Always remember that science is unbelievable and fun. Again, I'm your teacher Mary Ann. Thanks and God bless!